time for exact notes. It's just exact notes. Music rocks. Yeah.
Well, hello there, and welcome to Essential Elements for Ukulele Day. Oh, I forgot to turn on my light. Hold on. Light. That's a little better. Day 2. And we are on lesson 2. And you know what? I have a bone to pick about this lesson because it's called Baby Strums. And I don't think I'm a baby, and I don't think you're babies, and so that's a little offensive to me because what on earth? Okay, that's kind of my sense of humor. It's harder to tell if the jokes are good because, you know, sometimes I get this like pity laugh, ha ha ha, and on a video I get nothing. But that's not what we're here to talk about. I should just keep moving on. Okay, here we are. Baby Strums. And it's going to start with the C chord that we started yesterday. You remember the C chord. Open, 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 3. Make sure you've tuned your ukulele. They go out of tune all the time. I have to tune mine every single time I use it. Just a little bit. You know, it doesn't go wildly out of tune unless someone messes with it. But you do want to just make sure it's in tune. That's one of the advantages of learning like this instead of in a group class. When I started in orchestra, my first instrument was a violin when I was 10, and orchestra class sounded like a wreck because there were so many of us, the teacher couldn't really, tune everything very nicely, and even when she did, the group of us were playing, and, our fingers were landing in the wrong spot, and you just didn't know what a right sound was from a wrong sound. But here, you have the advantage of tuning your own instrument and making sure that you're always listening to good sounds. And if you're learning and you're always listening to the right sounds, then you'll have a better ear over time because you'll appreciate what good music should sound like. So, tune your instrument. Okay, here we go. C chord. Let's do a quick review. Open, 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 and 1, 2, 3, right behind the 3rd fret. And make sure that your finger is on the tip, kind of curved around like that. And if you want to, you can just check that one and make sure it's pressed down hard enough. And also make sure that finger isn't running into the neighboring string right there. Alright, and then what Baby Strums is going to have us do is play 4 Cs, 4 G7s, 2 Cs, 2 G7s, 4 Cs. So we're going to start with 4 Cs. Let's do that. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then G7. Pointer finger moves onto 2nd fret. Pointer finger moves onto 1st fret, 2nd string. Middle finger moves onto 2nd fret, 3rd string. And then our ring finger comes right there. Now yesterday we started by sliding that down, which you can still do. And remember, it makes that little triangle shape. So it should look like 1. And then there's 2 and 3. The triangle might be easier to see if I do 1, 3 squished right there, and then 2 reaches up over. Yeah? And then let's check each of those and make sure each one sounds good. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're going to strum that one 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then it goes back to C 2 times. 1, 2. And then G7 again. 1, 2. Oops, 1, 2, 3. We're going to do that 2 times. 2. And then we're going to go back to the C chord 4 times. 2, 3, 4. Okay, so let's try it from the beginning. Baby Strums. 1, 2. Ready, go. 4 Cs. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 G7s. 2, 3, 4. 2 Cs. 2 G7s. And then 4 Cs. 2, 3, 4. Okay, so maybe I was a little too harsh on the song. It's kind of a cute little melody, even though I just don't like what it's called. It's called Baby Strums. I guess in the big grand scheme of things, this is kind of infantile because we're like babies starting off, aren't we? Let's try it a little faster, see if we can make it kind of catchy. I think I changed my time. I should be doing a 4 count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. It's kind of nice. It sounds like it could be the cute little ending to a song, right? No, wait. Oh, it doesn't do the at the end. That was just me. It goes C, 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 C. Something like that. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. I kind of like just ending on 1, 2, 3, done, like that. 1, 2, 3, done. Isn't that nice? Oh, by the way, part of my job isn't just to like teach you everything that's in the book, but to add some style to it and generally to give you good taste in music. That's my goal. Okay, so I think that's plenty good for today. Let's stop right there. That gives you 2 things to practice. Make sure that you are reviewing the one from yesterday and then the one from today. And tomorrow we'll add on a little bit more. And give yourselves a round of applause. Oh, and leave comments in the comment section saying yay or boo or all that stuff. Okay, bravo, good job.